Hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and today I wanted to show you what to do if you have an emergency pipe break. Now, I will say that most of the time, if you're going to have an emergency pipe break, it's actually not going to be your sprinkler system. But these tools that I'm using frequently, you'll want to use if you're working on your sprinkler system, and it just seems helpful to know this information if we're going to have a really bad freeze. So the first tool that you're going to want to use, this is called a meter key. And the way this works, you can get these at Amazon. I haven't seen these lately at Home Depot, but the way this works is it drops down into the hole and it turns slightly. Sometimes some of the older ones actually have a lever inside that catches on. Some of the newer ones don't seem to have that. So that's how you access your meter. And then what you're going to want to do is turn this. Then you're going to want to turn that sideways. I will say that it is really stiff sometimes to turn these. The other tool that you're going to want to use is this. Now, Home Depot does sell these with the key at the end. Those are really flimsy, so I don't know how long those last. That's why I like to have both. But the important part is it's really helpful to have a tall one of these that slips down on top. And that gives you the leverage to be able to turn it. It's really hard to get down in there with wrenches and turn that. There's not much leverage, and as often as not, that valve that's there that you're turning is pressed up against the side, so it's hard to access. So that's why it's important to use that tool. So if you got a pipe break, you don't want to wait on a neighbor or find a neighbor that has these tools. You want to have them yourself, and it's not too terribly difficult to turn this off yourself. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, give them a thumbs up, and send them on to your friends and family. This is Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.